Hey friend, it's Simply T again. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm back again with yet another wig video, and of course this time I am trying out the color 99J for the very first time. Before I get into all of the super easy ways you can style a frontal to get ready for that end of summer cookout or that beginning of fall kickback, check out how I installed this wig. Now, this is, of course, my very first time shopping with this particular site, but I have browsed it several times, just hovering my finger over the button, trying to figure out which wig to pick. Because I shared with you in my Mindy video that I wasn't too crazy about red hair, I decided to try out another shade of red. Now, of course, you know, I went through a ginger phase and I had the time of my life. But outside of that orange copperish ginger tone of red, I've had a couple hits and misses since then. So I was really looking forward to not only styling this, but trying it out and seeing it how it looks on me. And I have to say, I do not regret it at all. I'm still getting used to it. I'm still kind of playing around with it. Now, before you go ahead and share this video or subscribe if you're not already subscribed, or even hit that like button and comment down below with what you think about this hair and the color, go ahead and check out these really cool ways I like to style my frontals.